Good evening. Welcome to your nighttime driving meditation. Driving is a dynamic mindfulness practice that requires you to be fully present and focused on the act of driving. So please keep your eyes open on the road and be safe. Begin to set your intention to be the most mindful, present driver on the road tonight. Fine-tune your posture. If you haven't started driving, feel free to take some time to adjust your seat and mirrors so you can see better. And make any other movements in your body that are going to help you feel more comfortable as you drive. Straighten out your posture. Sit up tall, yet relaxed. Bring your shoulders up, back, and down from the ears a couple times to relax them. Notice your hand grip. Make sure you aren't death gripping the wheel. Be aware of the inside of your mouth. To relax your jaw, close the mouth and start to roll your tongue over the outside of your teeth, going one way 2 to 3 times, and then the other way. Let's do 3 lion's breaths together. This is a fun breathing technique to do in the car. It helps to relax the face muscles, it forces us not to take ourselves too seriously, and it is also a great way to use your breath to release anything on your mind that may be distracting you from being present while driving. To do lion's breath, we breathe in through the nose and out the mouth forcefully, opening up the mouth wide and sticking out the tongue at the same time while we exhale. Make sure to exhale until you have absolutely no more breath left. Smile and have fun with this. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale forcefully out your mouth while you stick out your tongue. Again, in through your nose. Out your mouth, stick the tongue out. One more, make this one the most biggest and expressive one yet. Inhale through your nose. Exhale out the mouth. Smile and begin to breathe in and out through your nose. This helps to slow down the breath and focus the mind. Feel your breath in your body. Feel where it goes and where it doesn't. Where you notice any resistance of breath in your body, invite that area to relax as you breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. Invite your breath to drop down into the base of your spine. Take your time to deepen the breath into the lower belly and back area. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel your breath move. As you inhale, feel the relaxing quality of the belly expanding. As you exhale, feel the belly contract and move back in. Feel the movement of your breath in your body for the next 16 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. Listen to the sound of your breath. Now expand your listening to all the layers of sound you can hear in your car. Expand farther, listening to all the sounds you can hear outside your car. Back to the sounds in your car. And the sound of your own breath. Keep up with your upright driving posture and continue focusing on your breath. Be completely present and focused on what's in front of you on the road right now. Take it all in. Accept whatever comes your way for the next 30 seconds on your drive. Breathe in, breathe out. You're fully present in your body, mind, and breath. Take some mental notes as I ask you to tune in to some details about your driving environment. Breathe in, breathe out. What direction are you driving? North, south, east, or west? Breathe in, breathe out. What can you smell? Breathe in, breathe out. Take in all of the different kinds of light you see right now that are allowing you to see in the dark. Car lights, street lights, building lights, billboards. Breathe in, breathe out. If it's safe to check, look for stars in the sky. Can you see the moon? If so, what phase is the moon in? Is it a full moon, crescent moon, or is it a dark new moon night? Breathe in, breathe out. Where do you think all the other drivers on the road are en route to? What's their story? Breathe in, breathe out. Based on how your car feels, can you tell if you're on an old road or a new road? Breathe in, breathe out. For the next few seconds, notice anything else that stands out to you, or anything that you find important about your drive right now. Breathe in, breathe out. Hold your posture, keep your flow of breath, and be fully present and focused on the act of driving for the next 60 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring into your mind one thing you are grateful for about your car or commute. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring into your mind one other thing. It could be absolutely anything that you are grateful for in your life right now. Breathe in, breathe out. Thank yourself for choosing to use this time tonight while you drive as an opportunity to practice mindfulness. Continue on your drive, maintaining your posture, breath, and focus. Make sure to check out my other driving meditations. Let me know if you have any suggestions or requests for specific driving meditation themes or future meditations. Thank you so much for doing this meditation. Until next time, this is Dorothy, wishing you many mindful and safe drives.